Welcome back, everybody. Just a quick shop tip. When you need to make corrections to your plane blades or your chisels, do them slowly. What I mean by that is, for instance, we talked about in another video about wanting to change the camber on this blade. So you have two options. The first option is to just take it to the bench grinder and grind away metal until you get the shape you want. Steel is expensive. Go ahead, go out and price blades. Good quality blades are expensive, and even our old original ones. And even though this one may be from the, I'm thinking maybe the 70s, it's still expensive. So what I will do is I will go to my 300 grit and I will bring the center of the blade onto the stone, and I will concentrate all of my efforts on flattening out that middle. All right. Now this is only between sharpenings. See how I got that middle sort of flattened out a little? I got to do it just a little bit more to this side. Until you feel a pretty heavy burr. That's about it. You see that? Right where my finger is? That's the only place that there's a burr. So now what I'll do, I'll take this now to the 1000 grit side and do the same thing, except this time I'm going to work on flattening that middle and then rocking it to blend it in with the rest of the iron. And that's it. For this sharpening, I have completed enough flattening of the middle that I will reduce that camber slightly. Now all I have to do is just take the burr off, and strop it. Take the burr off the back. And that's it. That's ready to go to work. So instead of just throwing away metal, each time you hone, you reduce, well, actually, you're increasing the arc or the radius, but you're reducing the amount of roundness in the front. So you'll be good for a couple years. And that's a good one. If you want to see that again, except with the actual scrub plane blade, I do the same thing. Same exact thing. I come here to my 300, come up to the bevel, just work the center section. Until I get a flat or a heavy burr on the back. That's enough for this sharpening. Flip it over, do the same thing. And then just give it a few sweeps to blend it. Take the burr off. And strop it. That's about it, everybody. So that's what I'm going to be doing to my severely cambered irons in my scrub and the one I use in my number 4. That's it. So I've now reduced the point. Now it's just ever so slightly flatter, ever so slightly. So at this rate, I could sharpen this probably a dozen times or more and still have a camber. And it'll be a wider camber, meaning I can take wider shavings. Head out to your shop. Let me know what you think. Steeper round point or flatter point? Walter out.